I'm Brittany Lewis with Forbes Breaking News. At a House Rules Committee hearing, Representative Matt Gaetz proposed an amendment to be voted on for the National Defense Authorization Act. The Florida Republican proposed an expansion of a pilot program proposed by Democratic Representative Seth Moulton. Moulton's program created a medical cannabis research trial for service members. Gaetz's proposal includes psilocybin and MDMA as part of the trials. Gaetz noted that this was an area of agreement that he had with Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Take a listen to his remarks here.
Next, I want to go to amendment number 37, which I've offered. And this is in response to a program that Mr. Moulton put into the NDAA. Congressman Moulton crafted an amendment in committee that created pilot programs specifically for service members that were the highest risk of getting addicted to opioids, being prescribed opioids, and to create a medical cannabis pilot program for those folks to be able to enter into research, clinical trials, because this is such an at-risk population. I had an ambitious concept to expand that trial beyond merely medical cannabis, also to include psilocybin and MDMA, and that is because I've seen extensive evidence regarding the ability of psilocybin and MDMA to be very helpful to veterans going through PTSD and other forms of traumatic brain injury. And Mr. Chairman, I have a number of documents regarding state legislation on this matter, particularly out of the state of Texas, where they're seeking authorities to engage in this. I would seek the ability to enter that into the record.
Without objection.
In the past, I've sponsored legislation with Ms. Ocasio-Cortez of New York to allow for research into some of these medical technologies, and so I sent her this amendment with hopes of obtaining her co-sponsorship, and while I did not hear back, she offered precisely the exact same amendment. So I'll take the hint, but I would speak in favor of Ms. Ocasio-Cortez's amendment, which is number 339. So mine's number 37, hers is 339. I don't care who gets the credit. I would just like to see those medical opportunities and those research opportunities available for many veterans.